Hello and welcome to this video series on Ballerina testing. I'm Dilhasha and I'm part of the Ballerina development team. In this video series, I'll be guiding you through the powerful capabilities of the Ballerina test framework. So let's get started without further ado. Before we start working on Ballerina testing, you need to make sure that you have met these prerequisites. You need to have the latest Ballerina Swan Lake distribution installed and also the VS Code plugin for Ballerina. By visiting the official website of Ballerina, you can download the latest version of Ballerina Swan Lake distribution. VS Code is the default IDE supported by Ballerina. In order to work with Ballerina, you need to have the Ballerina VS Code plugin installed. You can do so by visiting the extensions marketplace and downloading the latest version of the Ballerina plugin. Now that we have all the prerequisites in place, let's start on Ballerina testing.